Yesterday I did 75% of giving away the walls and the insulation. Yeah, and you can see here the insulation was not existing anymore because a lot of animals, here you can see the nuts which they have collected, ruined it. Yeah, it's totally destroyed, and so it was necessary to give the walls away and to do the insulation new. And I will do it with Armaflex, which is over there in the boxes. Armaflex is a caoutchouc material and it's used to take it for insulation in mobile homes, so it's perfect. It's not cheap, but it has a very good insulation. But first I have to clean everything here inside and give the electricity away, because I will do it later. I will do the insulation first and then the electricity. Before that I have to have a look, because here are a lot of holes. I have to fix this first. Yeah, and I removed the last part, but it's so big that I can't give it out of the Airstream. It's one piece made of polyester, fiberglass. And this is the insulation. The rest of cleaning again. Normally it looks like that, and here you can see all the nuts from the animals, from mice or something like that. It's full of this. Look here. It's destroyed. It's not a fun work. All the insulation is out now. All the walls are out. And all the old electricity, all the cables are out now. I gave away all the cables which are not in function right now. You can see only the lights. The cable for the lights is still here. But all the others I gave away because I want to make it new. Sometimes I get a helping hand from my daughter Alina or Vita. This is a great help. The new insulation Armaflex will be glued on, and so it has to be totally clean. Yeah, it's a hard job. I do it with nitro. Here it's clean already. You see it's dirty. And now I made a break because I want to do something else, because it's so boring work, and I decided to build in the max air. It's one of my next steps. Ventilation. I give away the old one. Yes, and the moment has come. The time is here. I hope the measurement was right. 40 to 40 centimeters. Otherwise I will have a problem. Wow, opening. I built in the ventilation now, and I sealed it with a special type of Sikaflex, so looks good. Today I tested the max air vent, and as you can see it's working fine. Today I will clean the last areas here and here, and the rest it's done. So I will start with Armaflex today. Today Sue is screwing out the old rivet. Because when we mount the walls again, we want to have holes where we can put in the new rivets, so it's necessary to give them out. I'm sealing all the holes today, because there are a lot of holes in the roof, like this one here. And I give new plates of aluminium, then I put it on and put new rivets and make the ceiling with Sikaflex. Today I got my new wheel houses and they look really awesome, but I will mount them in the next days because today I'm working on different projects on the roof, like here, ceiling, this one here, and I will build in 2 new windows on the roof, one with a vent, so it's still a lot of work to do. Next time I'm mounting the solar panels, the wheel houses, and we will also start to fix the insulation. Subscribe to our channel and follow our Airstream renovation adventure during the next month, and see you soon here again on Pinkrambutan.com.